Hi everyone, I hope that you're well. I'd just like to take a minute to tell you about a jazz guitar workshop that I'm doing in person here in Leeds. This will be a full day of jazz guitar playing, improvising, guided jam sessions and workshops. So I really hope you'll consider joining me. If you want to travel, then there's some overnight accommodation options, but it's not too far from Leeds City Centre, and I think that jazz is great to learn online like this, and there's a lot that you can do, but there's nothing better than playing and learning in person. So yeah, I hope you consider it. It's £79 and you do get lunch included for that. It's a full day of learning jazz, and there's probably going to be two different groups, one that's beginner, one that's more intermediate, and there'll be an agreed repertoire set before, which you'll get all the resources sent by me. So if you're completely new to jazz guitar and you've never played or you don't know a single standard, you're absolutely fine. And if you're a bit more experienced, then you'll be absolutely cool as well. So the location will be at Horsforth Trinity campus. I'm just looking here to give you the address, on Brownbury Lane, LS18 5HD. And the date of the workshop is the 17th of October, Saturday the 17th of October. Like I said, it'll be a full day event, and if you are considering travelling from places like London, then it's a very easy train stop to get, really. It's very close to the city centre, and most of the main train lines do stop off at Horsforth, or you can stay in the city centre. Leeds is a great city, so if you're coming with a partner, then it's very accessible, and there's quite a lot you can do there as well. So yeah, do let me know if you are interested. If you are interested, like I said, the cost is £79 per person. There is a contact form on my website. All you're going to need is your guitar, maybe a music stand, maybe an amp, but if you are travelling via public transport and you need to borrow an amp or a music stand or something like that, then let me know on your email. Like I said, all levels, all abilities, welcome together. There's going to be guided jam sessions, workshops. It'll be a lot of fun, and I hope that you'll consider joining me. So those are the details. At some point I'm sure you would have seen a poster. So if you have any more questions or comments, please let me know. And yeah, like I said, there'll be an agreed repertoire list as well. So that's basically kind of, there's a vote, all the students vote, and a little bit of input from me, and we kind of have an agreed repertoire list that we work on. Only a couple of songs so that we can all play together. So yeah, I hope you'll consider joining me. If you have any questions, let me know. But thank you for checking out this video, and I hope to see you on Saturday, the 17th of October for my jazz guitar workshop. Thanks for watching.